Welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys an update on my guest room slash office. The last time that you guys saw this room, it was my guest room. If you didn't see the video, I'll link it for you guys, but I have done some changes. So instead of it being just a guest room, it's turned into my office slash guest room. Many of you know I am a teacher, so we're doing distance learning. So I wanted to have a dedicated space where I could teach, and so this is the room. So I'm excited to show you guys the updates that I did. I wanted to have a space where guests could sleep still. So I still have that ability to have guests sleep here. So I'm excited to show you that. Okay, so walking into the room, we have my desk. This desk has been with me for some years now. I got it from Target. It was actually downstairs in my family room, and I moved it up here because I've updated the family room as well. I'll make a video on that too. So I moved this desk up here. This chair I got at a thrift store. It was not black when I got it. I think it was brown, so I just painted that. I've had it for a while too. And then this lovely picture that I just got from Home Goods last week. Amazing. They've been doing really well with the abstract painting. So this one was only like $60. So yeah, I got that last week. So this is my workspace, my workspace, my teacher workspace. And then this lamp I got from Target years ago. And let me move over here. So this mirror I got from Kirkland's. And it was a great value. I think it was under $100. You know, Kirkland's always has coupons available. So got this at Kirkland's. This little stool here that I just use I use it maybe like to put books on and other things that I just want right by my side. I got that at a estate sale, that little blue stool there. And then those two little pictures over there, I got those from, I want to hang them somewhere. I don't know if they're going to stay in here or not, but I got those at an estate sale as well. And I just love them. I need to find somewhere to put them. All right, when we swing around here, there's the window. If you saw my last video when this room was a guest room, solely a guest room, I told you about these curtains that I got from IKEA. They are still hanging. This plant here, my fiddle fig leaf, it was already in the room before. What I did was added another little snake plant here. So I have a snake plant now. I have that, and then I kind of keep my little yoga mat in the corner because in addition to working in here, I can sit in here, I can meditate, I can do yoga. It's just like I'm loving this space for myself. All right, we are going to move on to these lovely pictures that I got at a farmer's market. And I'm gonna link the artist below for you guys, but look at that. It's Beyonce, Jay-Z, Lauryn Hill, and then Bob Marley. So these were actually in my hallway. And I said, you know what? I'm moving them to this room because I just love them so much. I wanted them here. So that's that. And then we have here a day bed. This was not my first choice in a day bed, but it works fine. It was about $100. I got it from Wayfair, put it together myself. It took about 2 hours for me to do, but yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I have a twin mattress on it, and I've been looking for like some day bed covers and haven't found any. So I said, you know what? Let me just put a white sheet. It's actually 2 twin white sheets that I put on there. And then I got some pillows, like the cream color pillows are from Home Goods. Those green pillows are thrifted. I'm sorry, are they? Yeah, those are thrifted. That little brown pillow in the middle is also thrifted. The 2 pillows on the end, I had them here. I already had like pillow stuffers for them. So I bought some pillow covers from Amazon, and they're really nice too. Let me go up and just show you. Just like nice little felt. They were probably like $10, $12 for 2 of those. Like I said, these right here are from Home Goods. These are thrifted. This little cute pillow I got at a thrift store. And the other pillows in the back are just plain, you know, pillows for your bed, like standard size pillows. And I put pillowcases on that I got from Target, like white pillowcases. This blanket right here is a gray weighted blanket, and it's the only gray blanket that I have right now. I love the color so much, so I'm gonna go buy a regular blanket, not a weighted blanket, because of course, like, it's hard to maneuver that weighted blanket. Like if I just want to go sit down, it's you know, lifting up that weighted blanket takes a little while. So I'm just gonna go buy another one that color, but it's not going to be weighted. It'll just be the regular blanket. All right. And then we have this little ottoman, because I wanted an ottoman for this room. I didn't want to spend a lot on it. This one I got from Amazon. It was really, really cheap, maybe $30. And so I keep all of my little books there for school. So all of that stays in there. And then it's also kind of like a good little footrest, right? To put your feet on. So yeah, it serves dual purposes here. All right, I'm gonna move on over. So this room, like I said, it serves as my office for work, but it also serves as my office for like personal things. Sometimes, you know, like when work is over and I have to do some things on my other computer, which is downstairs right now, I just want to move to a different space. So this is like my little closet office. I've put a desk in here that I got from the thrift store that I painted. I think I might have talked to you guys about this desk before. But anyway, I painted this desk. I got it from the thrift store, and I stained the top of it. It was originally just brown. And then I got this map. I can't remember where I got this map. Might have been online somewhere, and I got the big frame from Michael's, and so I framed that. I love a nice world map. So I got that there. So this is where I do like my personal stuff. That's where I do my personal stuff. But yeah, cute little cloffice. I got this little lamp, or that little lamp from IKEA. So when I'm in that little space, and I'll just turn it on so you guys can see. When I'm in that little space, I just turn that on and I work there. At the top, I have like some books and, you know, like some paper and everything if I need that. And then over here, I have my little, I guess, little side table. I have my little picture that one of my friends gave me for my birthday last year. And then I have my diffuser going all the time. And I have a mirror up there, as you can see. But yeah, guys, that is about it for this little room here. This little room refresh. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment or a question. I will answer any questions that you have, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.